Well, I think it's heading in several ways. I think, number one, there's a fundamental shift occurring in the auto industry where control of the pace of innovation, if you think about all the computer technology that is becoming a part of the passenger compartment, it's really shifting from Detroit to Silicon Valley. And Silicon Valley innovates faster. I mean, Apple releases products at an absolutely staggering rate. People replace their cell phones every 18 months. Technology goes out of fashion really fast. And so what does that mean in terms of the technology that we have in the passenger compartment? Customer expectations are going to change. They're going to expect faster evolution of products. So how do we reconcile ourselves as dealers to this world in which the future belongs to those who are fast? I think the second change that is occurring, and it's absolutely kind of critical, is that there's a real transformation occurring with the shopping experience in terms of how we interact with that customer. We know this is happening, social networking, the impact of Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, and that we know the customer is very well prepared by the time they come into the showroom. But what's happening in the world of retailer, and what I'm talking to some of the world's largest retailers about, is the next wave. How are we extending the relationship that we have with a retailer through these social networks to the mobile devices that we're walking into the store with, to link to a plasma LED TV on the wall to show us customized content. Welcome to the store, Jim. Welcome back. We've got a relationship with you, and we think you might be interested in these particular products. Retailers are talking about this world right now, and the technology and the behavior coming behind this is evolving at absolutely staggering pace. How do we deal with that? And I think the third key thing is, how do we ensure that we can continue to compete as organizations like Best Buy and Apple and others, increasingly get involved in what is inside the passenger compartment? How do we make sure that we can turn what we might perceive to be a challenge into opportunity?